Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a mango citrus cilantro dressing or dip. To make this you will need a blender, and you'll notice that I don't have that name brand of high-speed blender that most people use, but my blender does work well for this. And I am going to be using some frozen mango pieces that I have, and they're still frozen. So you could add that mango first to your blender if you want to. But because this is frozen, I want to add something liquidy first. I have one good size navel orange that I have peeled and just cut up. And there's no seeds in a navel orange, so we don't need to worry about that. And yes, I did not juice it. I'm adding the entire orange. I want the fiber in there. And then I have one whole lime that I have peeled and sectioned. There's no seeds in the lime, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the blender. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of mango pieces, and that would be equivalent to about 1 good size mango, fresh mango. And then I have 2 tablespoons of ground flax meal. And for a little bit of saltiness in there, I have 1 celery stalk that I've cut up. That comes to about a half a cup of chopped celery, and you see these are large pieces of celery. And then I have 1/3 cup, and that's packed, 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro. If you don't want the cilantro, you're not a cilantro kind of person, that's fine, just leave it out. Now you have some option on this point. In this bowl I have 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to see how this blends up, and if it needs more liquid I will add the water to it. The other option would be to, instead of water, add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. If you want to use it as a salad dressing and you need a little more tang to it, don't add the water, add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. So I've done it with the vinegar and I like it that way, but this time I'm going to go without that and try to do it without the added water, but if I need it, I will add it. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this up, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Here is our finished dressing, and let me tell you, it blended up smooth and creamy. I did work with it a little bit to get it going, but I did not add the extra water to it, and I'm glad I didn't, because the flavor is just like I like it. It's sweet and tangy. If I added the extra water and then wanted to use it as a salad dressing, then I probably would have added the extra vinegar to it as well. So let me suggest that you do it that way. Just try not to add the extra liquid to it, and it should be just good and delicious, just like it is, whether you use it as a dip or with this texture. I would suggest as a dressing more than a dip, but it can be used either way. Give this a try sometime. The recipe is below, and a printable version is on my blog. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.